Hi everyone, I'm an amateur cook, and in this series I recreate recipes suggested by artificial intelligence. Did ChatGPT come through for me this time? Let's find out. I asked ChatGPT to create a recipe for pumpkin spice latte because my girlfriend absolutely loves it. The challenge was to make it even better than Starbucks. It all starts with pumpkin puree, so I cut the pumpkin into small pieces and roasted it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After that, the pumpkin is supposed to be ready. Once it was done, I blended it into a smooth puree. This coffee is the perfect treat for Halloween to surprise your girlfriend, or if you don't have a girlfriend. Well, who's stopping you from enjoying 2 cups, sweetheart? Anyway, I heated up the milk, but I didn't let it boil. Then I added the pumpkin puree, sugar, all the spices, and vanilla extract. The aroma is incredible. I have to admit, I bought the cheapest milk frother just for this video, so I really hope it works. The frothed milk adds a velvety texture to the drink. I poured the espresso into a glass. If you don't have an espresso machine like me, just dissolve some instant coffee in a small amount of water, then I slowly poured in the hot milk, topped it with whipped cream, and sprinkled it with cinnamon. So I tried it and I feel a bit cheated. I specifically asked for a flavor better than Starbucks, but the coffee I ended up with, while it has a lovely aroma and a spicy flavor, doesn't resemble the Starbucks version at all, let alone being better. I'm disappointed. This is the second time ChatGPT has given me a subpar recipe. I would add more sweetness, a bit more spice, and on top of that, the pumpkin flavor wasn't noticeable at all. Maybe I did something wrong. Who am I to question ChatGPT? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.